Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a beginner friendly guide on how to create a bot using Poe AI. Whether you are new to programming or just curious about AI, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Poe AI is a powerful platform that allows anyone to create intelligent bot with ease. From customer service chatbots to interactive assistants, the possibilities are endless. In today's tutorial, we'll create a simple bot step by step. Let's get started. First thing first, we need to set up an account. You can sign up by your email account or Apple ID. Once you are logged in, you will land on an user-friendly dashboard. Here you will see a create bot button. Click on this, then click on complete profile. After completing profile, you will see some options like prompt bot, image generator, video generator, role play, and server bot. Let's click on prompt bot. From here you can select what type of bot do you need. Select one of them according to your needs. Then you have to set a name for your bot. You also can add an image for your bot. I'm going to select a name. Now choose a template to start from. Poe AI offers several templates from different needs, or you can start from scratch. For example, if you need a chatbot, you can go with ChatGPT. Also, if you need any task bot, then you can use Gemini. Also, if you need any image generator bot, then you can use DALL-E template. You can find there so many templates for your needs. Choose one of them. I'm going to create a chatbot. That's why I'm going to select ChatGPT. Now, configure some basic settings. This will help our bot to interact properly. Try to be as clear and specific as possible for that your bot can be more advanced in its task. Now add a prompt to tell your bot what is it and how to respond to users. Add a greeting message that appears at the beginning of the conversation. Now add a bot profile. Here you need to describe what your bot need to do with the users and how to interact with their questions. As example, I have added a short bio, but you need to add a descriptive bio for better result. You can add a descriptive bio of 4000 words. Finally, click on create bot button. You can see here two options: continue without editing and edit bot for more advanced interaction. For tutoring purpose, we are continuing without editing. Here we go. Before we wrap up, let's test the bot. Poe AI provides a preview mode where you can interact with your bot in real time. Make sure everything is working as expected. Up there you can see a greeting message which was given in the setup phase. I am just simply saying hi and let's see how it interact. The replay is quite good. Now I'm going with a complex question. It's so perfect. Our bot is working perfectly and its interaction is quite impressive. And there you have it, a simple way to create a bot using Poe AI. Remember, the key is to experiment with different settings and functionalities to find what works best for your needs. Here are some few tips. Continuously test and refine your bot. explore advanced features as you become more comfortable. And don't hesitate to reach out to the Poe AI community for support. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments how your bot creation journey goes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.